How to save files from Wetransfer to mobile device. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to receive or save files from Wetransfer to your mobile device. So first of all, you know the drill. Make sure to log in into your Wetransfer account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Now any received email through transfer that has been sent to your Wetransfer account will be available to view and download within the received transfer tab of your app. So for that, you need to go ahead and tap the receive button, and over here you'll be able to find the following files that you've received. All you have to do is just press on it and then download the file, and you will be able to access it or save the files from WeChat to your mobile device. And also make sure that all the downloaded files will be saved to the files or downloaded section of your device. Then if you are unable to find it right on this page, you can go to your file manager and you can just go ahead and explore the downloaded files. That's how you can save files from Wetransfer to your mobile device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.